I'm just starting to get goat's breakfast today. Hello YouTube land. It's a sunny day here in the farm, but there's no guarantee there's not gonna be any rain today because the weather forecast in BBC says it's gonna be raining. Like it's all blue in the map, which means rain. There's no green, so it's not gonna be heavy. That's how I understand it. And it fell down, and it has a fruit. It's a matured fruit. Look at this. It has maturity spots like this one. So that means food for me. Mamuy. It's 5 hands only, but it's matured, so it's like really ready for harvest. I don't know when this is going to be ripe, but this is perfect for banana split, guys. This is Latondan variety. Yay! So look at this, guys. It fell over with the roots, so this means I can plant a bullhead from this. Like when I was still working in the banana industry, guys, there are 3 types of replantables from an old banana, because banana is classified as a herb plant, and like a grass type of thing. But because it's like it becomes a tree, it has a fruit, so it is not very known as a herb. So what I'm really happy about is it fell down with the roots. That means I can use it as a replant, as I can how to say it properly, I can replant it. Like when I was still working in the banana industry, there are 3 types of replantables. There's bullhead, which like you cut this stem, and then just the lower portion you can plant it. And then another type is this rooty portion, just this rooty portion, that's a corm. Yeah. And the third one is tissue culture. Like what they do is they chop this up, the stem, and then let it grow in a test tube type of thing, and that becomes a tissue cultured replanting material. And of course there's a qualification of like choosing a tissue or choosing a bullhead or choosing a corm to be replanted. That is a very good quality of banana. This one, guys, this is a good quality. As you can see, it has a nice fruit. It's just that it has so many fungus, this plant, because of this fungus, airborne fungus from this plantation beside us. So there's nothing we can do about that. We are in a place like this. We just have to bear with it. And like in companies that export, their standard is to pass a banana that has still 6 leaves at harvestable stage. Well, this one, like 6 functional leaves, that means 6 green leaves, and they still qualify. Like this type of leaf, they don't count it as one, but it is still functional, like 75% or like 60% of that leaf is still functional. So it's like, you know, they just add it up. Like even if it has only 2 clear leaf without fungus, and then there's 3 more that has still like functional part or still has a green part, they still like, you know, added up 60%, 40%, 20%. So it's like that. They still like, for example, to qualify for the 6 leaves at harvestable stage, considering other factors like the calibration and the finger length, like this one. Yeah. Yeah, they still like, for example, it has 7 leaves, but 2 are like this. 60% only is functional, and the rest are covered with fungus. It's called sigatoka, guys, for those who are interested to know. So like, they count is like, for example, 7 leaves, and then 5 are clear, and then 2 are not, but it's still like 60%. So that's still like 6.2 leaves, 6.2 functional. That's still possible, and they harvest it straight away. The only thing is the market that it goes to is limited. That's the thing with the bananas. So I hope I get to share some information with you guys for those who are growing bananas. Hello, Earl Wilcox. I know you're interested with bananas and you have a banana farm. So stay tuned. I get some chilies. So I'm gonna show you how I feed it to my this one, guys. Some rubbish when I put it. This one, guys, I'm gonna pull the green part off and feed it to them. Finish straight away. It fell down, guys. So like these small ones, I just leave the green. Do you give me more eggs today? No more, no thank you, no bye bye. Say hi everybody. Hi everybody. No hi. That's her daughter from the incubator, if you remember. So I have my 5 hands of banana, or a bunch of latundan banana. I cannot right now, guys, I don't have much stock of Madre de Cacao to kind of cover this one to ripe in a sack, like to force ripe, because I gave it to the goats, and the rest are what's remaining now is infested. I'm gonna show you this one, guys. It's infested. I have to trim it like quickly as soon as it sprouts, because it will get infested and will no longer edible for goats. Also this one, like it's a little Madre de Cacao, yet it shows already scars from the insects. Look at this, guys. Well, poor condition, really. Like our fence before was all that, before William put in these hog wires, and look how infested this is, guys. Look at this, it's so black from the aphids and all these insects, these pests. Even the guava that I used to cure diarrhea or like wet poop of my goats, I can no longer use it. See this one? So black. I cannot feed this, and I cannot also use this to, I don't know what's that. It's like a pig. Hello? What? I don't know. I'm gonna check, guys. I'm gonna check. What is it? This ice area here. Really? I don't know, guys. I'm scared. Because this is where the snakes, like from this area, because this is kind of abandoned. It moves. Ah! It moves farther, going that side. Ah! It goes there. I think it sends my footsteps. It goes farther. Oh, total silence. I'm scared that it will attack me. I cannot see it, guys. Are you familiar with that sound? I've never heard that sound, that noise before. It stinks here. This is their banana. This is where they throw all the chemicals. Look at these blue stains here. Ta-da! It's gone. All gone. Look at this, guys. This is also Madrid de cacao. And it's all infested because all the pests in the banana, because the bananas here are sprayed, as you can see, it all went to the Madre de cacao. So there's nothing we can, even this Malabar spinach, the purple Malabar spinach, we cannot eat because I'll get some branches here later to plant because of these chemicals. It's getting hot, guys, so that animal is gone, so we must head home. So as I was saying, guys, I cannot use that Madrid de cacao around our area. So I put it down here, guys, where it can get some ethylene gas from this banana. Look at this one. This has ripe fingers now. This one also is starting to ripe. Look at this, yellowing. So I'm hoping if this releases some ethylene gas, it will go to that. It's like, does it breathe? So like when it gets the ethylene gas from here, then it will also kind of boost the ripening, the maturity into ripening naturally. So I don't put it in a sack. I'm not dehanding it for now. I don't have actually a dehander for this. I just use a knife to dehand it later. But like for now that I'm waiting for it to ripe, I'll just put it there. Yay! So thanks for watching this episode, and hope you all have a great day wherever we are. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Bye!